tell them that you were refusing it because you were concerned about this.
Yeah.
So that way, you know, it's kind of fresh, you know. So just contact Apple and let them know.
Yeah, I will just contact Apple.
Yeah.
Welcome to Share Style. My name is Kevin. I will be showing you the Ring camera and why you want to have one in front of your front door. It has a 6 main features: the HD video and two-way talking. It has a knock detection and a snapshot capture, and also adjustable motion settings, custom field of view, and video recording. This is especially for those of you who have a front door that doesn't have like a clear view of the porch area. Okay, screw it. So as you can see here, this is the part that go into the front side of the door. You just have to take out the existing peephole lens. I'll show you in a bit how that works. And in the back, we install this. So in the middle, that's your door. The main advantage of this way is that you can always have a front-facing view of the visitor who's coming to your home. So we're gonna do some testing about those situations. Camera that's off-center, the typical Ring camera that you install on the side of the door. And it looks like this is a tool that can be used to open up the existing peephole. I think this is the battery. Okay, so just charge it up and give it a try. Additional accessory here. Okay, that's all. Let's go ahead to the front door. Let's charge this first. Turn on the app. Add a new device. Scan the doorbell. Watch the video.
Completely charged.
Okay.
Let's grab the included door view key and
Got rid of it. This is what it looks like. Put this on the outside. This is how it looks from the outside now. This is the inside for now.
now let's check to see if you'll need the adapter.
So there we have the adapter, and try to put it here. It looks like it works. Remove the cover on this thing. Put it over there. There we go. Pull this up. So you pull all the way. This thing is supposed to get stuck like that. We have this adapter. Use this to screw into the hole. Use that tool again. Open the door and check. Looks pretty sturdy. Insert the battery. Oh yes, you check if the light is good on the outside. Okay, there is a light on the device now. That's good. This is my front door. Before I only have the Ring and D on the left side. And now I just installed a Ring peephole cam on the front. See how this one performs. This is the view from the Ring Elite. This is the view from the peephole camera. See how this is kind of at an angle. This is how it looks like on the inside of the home. So the original peephole is still available. You can still take a look at inside. There are two main advantages to the doorbell camera. The first one is You can answer door from anywhere if you have internet. And the second one is you can also use it to record footage. So it can be used as the evidence, or if you need to share like an incident report with your neighbor or with the police. One thing I don't like about the Ring camera is that it pretty much forces you to subscribe into the Ring like software service, and which is like about $30 if you pay annually, or it'll be a little bit higher if you pay monthly. If you're not subscribed to it, cannot see what happened to your door if you haven't like checked the notification on time. So I actually subscribed because he kind of helped me in one of the incidents that happened to me earlier last year. So what happened was the UPS guy was supposed to deliver a package to me, and this is actually an iPhone, right? But then at first I tried to talk to him over the doorbell camera. However, he insisted I have to get the package in person. I opened the door and I grabbed the package and signed the signature. And then after I got home, like when I was in the garage, I figured out that something is really wrong with the package and it feels extremely light. So I kind of suspected that it was empty. So I opened my door and luckily I was able to find his truck still parked there, and I stormed out to chase him and try to understand the situation and ask for his help. So this is what happened. He requested that I have to sign the receipt of the package before he can release it. I was talking to him on the Ring camera to see if I don't need to open the door since we're at full lockdown. But I was worried that if he would go away if I don't get the door machine. Then I happily tried to move all the packages to my garage. However, the box felt strangely light, so I stormed outside to see if the UPS guy was there still. Thank God his truck was there outside. I was able to talk to him, and he spent a great deal of time calling his HQ dispatcher center.
That way they can, like I'll take it to the office. Yeah,
But-
I'll refuse it for you. So I'm just
Okay.
gonna put
Yeah,
refuse here,
thank you so much.
and then it's probably easier for you. No?
Okay.
I was really fortunate. I think the UPS guy, he's like super helpful, tried to help me troubleshoot the situation. So based on his suggestion, he helped me to like refuse the package even though I signed the package already. And separately, I also reached out to the Apple's customer support, and they were really helpful, especially during the pandemic time. Luckily, they were able to send me a replacement, and I was able to have the same UPS guy deliver the package to me. As you can see in the video footage I later found out, he was helping me to check the package, and that's just really nice of him, and I really appreciate it. And even though it's a bad experience of somebody stealing the package, but I was able to document the incidents and share with my loved one and share with you guys. And hopefully this kind of issue never happened to you. If you have some sort of camera outside of your home, then you can talk to delivery guy. This is a great solution for this type of situation, and it really helped me during my process of recovering my phone and documenting the information when I spoke with the Apple customer service. So hope you enjoy. Please feel free to like, thumb up, and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to leave comment down below if you have any other questions regarding a smart home or general wellness related topics. Please feel free to let me know if you have any other questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Kevin. Thank you so much, and see you next time.